Welcome, here I've got Honor 7C and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Here let's just simply slide to the right to open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the capture settings. Here we have audio control option. When we tap on this, we can get access to this button so we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. For now, let me keep this turned on. This option allows us to take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords, like say cheese to take photos, or take photos when your voice reaches a certain decibel level. So this is how to manage this. Now let me stay on say cheese to take photos. And let's go back to the camera. Let me try to take a picture by saying cheese. And as you can see, this is how it works. The picture was taken without touching the screen. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.